The 2012 Aprilia DORSODURO 750. Rugged, sporty, yet pretty stylish, the Aprilia DORSODURO 750 offers a perfect combination of power, agility and pure technology. The 2012 Aprilia DORSODURO 750 was built using light but strong materials, and plastic body panels have been reduced to a minimum. Compared to the previous model, the 2102 Aprilia's 750cc 90° V-twin engine has received a few upgrades. As a result, the electronic and mechanical content of this V-twin engine sets new standards in its segment. The engine incorporates a long list of advanced technology which includes liquid cooling, tri-map engine management and ride-by-wire throttle control, 4 valves per cylinder, double overhead cam valve timing, electronic fuel injection with 2 throttle bodies and hydraulically operated wet clutch. The engine's output is rated at 67.3 kilowatts, 92 HP at 8,750 revolutions per minute and 8.4 kgm, 82 Newton meters of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute. Hit the jump for more information on the 2012 Aprilia DORSODURO 750. Press release. The concept that revolutionized the world of supermoto has now engendered the Aprilia DORSODURO 750. This unique, elite motorcycle applies all of Aprilia's vast racing experience to just one mission: the offer of pure riding enjoyment. 92 HP and exclusive tri-map ride-by-wire technology mean that the lightweight and powerful DORSODURO 750 can satisfy even the most expert riders in search of a state-of-the-art motorcycle. Aprilia has certainly made its mark since entering the world of supermotard racing. 4 world titles since 2004 clearly demonstrate the superiority of the Aprilia off-road concept. Now Aprilia has taken its success story one step further with the Aprilia DORSODURO 750, the machine that sets completely new standards for the road-going supermotard market. The DORSODURO is Aprilia's first 750cc supermotard, with a level of performance and equipment that places it in direct competition with far bigger machines. Unlike its more expensive rivals, however, the DORSODURO gives you an unbeatable combination of performance and equipment for its price. The Aprilia DORSODURO is an ideal motorcycle for advanced riders in search of total performance. But thanks to its 750cc engine, advanced electronic engine management system and selectable triple mapping, it also adapts perfectly to the needs of less experienced riders, and represents an intelligent access to the world of fun motorcycling. The DORSODURO is made for pure enjoyment, and creates a perfect symbiosis between man and machine, especially when ridden solo. The Aprilia DORSODURO 750 has been developed in close collaboration with Aprilia Racing, the department of Aprilia responsible for 37 world titles in all, and 5 in 2007 alone, including 4 in MotoGP's 125 and 250cc classes and 1 in the Supermotard World Championship. The result is a bike that combines the best of supersport and supermoto racing technology. The Aprilia DORSODURO gives you absolute riding pleasure and fun. A distillation of performance and technology, the DORSODURO is a special, extreme, and elite motorcycle, capable of elevating its rider to motorcycling excellence. The lightweight, agile, and powerful DORSODURO is driven by a new generation of engine incorporating the most advanced technical solutions found on any bike of its kind. Thanks to advanced electronic engine management, Aprilia's compact 90° V-twin delivers superb performance, well beyond the reach of its rivals. Specific power is 122.6 HP/liter and maximum torque is 82 Newton meters at only 4,500 revolutions per minute. As you would expect from Aprilia, the chassis is unique in the supermotard segment. Having achieved amazing results on the Super Specialist SXV, Aprilia's mixed trellis and aluminium frame is now one of the most distinctive features of the DORSODURO, giving it the sort of directional control, responsiveness and precision the competition cannot hope to achieve. Despite its essential design, the Aprilia DORSODURO boasts the highest level of components, technical equipment and finish. 4-piston radial calipers, wave discs, a hydraulic wet clutch, adjustable front and rear suspension, tri-map ride-by-wire engine management and a matrix instrument display with onboard computer are just some of the many items that make the DORSODURO unique. Engine. Aprilia's 750cc 90° V-twin engine has been improved in a number of ways, through extensive bench testing and trials on roads and circuits all over the world. The engine development team at Knoll has succeeded in shaping the character of this unique engine to precisely match the Dorsoduro's extreme agility. Improvements have been made to various areas of the 749.9cc engine with its bore and stroke of 92 by 56.4 mm. As a result, the electronic and mechanical content of this V-twin engine sets new standards not only for engines of this size but for many far larger units too. The V-twin engine that powers the Aprilia DORSODURO incorporates the latest, most advanced technology. 90° V-twin layout, liquid cooling, tri-map engine management and ride-by-wire throttle control, vary over square bore-to-stroke ratio, 4 valves per cylinder, double overhead cam valve timing, electronic fuel injection with 2 throttle bodies, stick coils integrated in the spark plug caps, 3-way catalytic converter and lambda probe, hydraulically operated wet clutch. The fuel injection system uses micro-spray injectors for optimum burn, guaranteeing high power and extremely low emissions. Aprilia was the first motorcycle manufacturer to believe in the potential of ride-by-wire electronic throttle control. This sophisticated technology, transferred to production directly from the world of racing, lets riders get the very best performance out of their motorcycles. The electronic engine management on the Dorsoduro 750's engine leads the field in technology and performance. The Dorsoduro features a second-generation electronic throttle with tri-map selectable triple mapping. 3 performance modes, Sport, Touring and Rain, can be selected on the move from a switch on the handlebars, with the throttle closed for safety reasons. The Dorsoduro changes its character radically, depending on what mode you select. Sport mode gives you aggressive instant power, Touring mode gives you a smoother action, better suited to relaxed long-distance riding, and Rain mode gives you ultimate safety slippery surfaces. The tri-map electronic throttle also means smoother, more consistent power thanks to more accurate and precise throttle control based on parameters including engine speed, gear selection, air flow, throttle position and temperature. The V-twin engine performs superbly at low and medium revs and even at partial throttle openings, situations typical of the sort of riding the Dorsoduro 750 Supermotard is designed for. Whatever mapping you select, the engine is always ready to deliver the best possible performance in terms of acceleration and rev range, giving you an amazingly satisfying and entertaining ride. The exhaust is made entirely from stainless steel. The collector pipes meet in a single silencer under the seat before splitting again into 2 tailpipes. The large volume of the exhaust system also aids engine breathing and boosts efficiency. A latest generation ECU manages all engine parameters, with a CAN-controlled area network line carrying all signals to an instrument cluster that incorporates a self-diagnostic terminal. Because the CAN line uses only 2 wires to transfer all the necessary data, the Dorsoduro's electrical system is beautifully simple and a major factor in the bike's impressively light weight. Thanks to its advanced electronic and mechanical technology, the Aprilia V-twin engine develops 92 HP at 8,750 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 82 Nm at 4,500 revolutions per minute. These figures enable the Dorsoduro to compete directly with motorcycles powered by far bigger engines. The Aprilia Dorsoduro 750 is also available, right from its introduction, in a restricted 25 kW version. The use of a ride-by-wire electronic throttle has allowed Aprilia to avoid cutting power right across the range, as happens with less advanced restricted versions. Instead, the power curve of the restricted Dorsoduro is identical to that of its full power sister right up to the point where the permitted power limit is reached. The 25 kW Dorsoduro 750 therefore delivers far superior acceleration to the equivalent models of the competition, to the benefit of riding satisfaction and pleasure. Frame. Aprilia motorcycles have always been acclaimed for the excellent chassis designs. The Dorsoduro 750 is no exception, thanks to a chassis that makes it the best balanced and most effective bike of its type. The new Dorsoduro is easy and intuitive to ride despite its blistering performance. It is designed to be ridden at the limit under all conditions, to perform extreme power slides, and to blast out of bends under full power. The secret lies in an ultra-responsive chassis, whose ergonomics suit riders of all statures and allow you to take it to the limit and enjoy the thrills of a motorcycle built for pure entertainment. The frame incorporates all of Aprilia's vast racing experience, and makes full use of the latest mixed steel and aluminium designs derived from the world of Supermotard World Championship racing. The top half of the frame is a tubular steel trellis. This is secured to generous aluminium side members by special high-strength bolts. The resulting structure is extremely rigid and lightweight, and provides the best possible means of harnessing the exuberant power of the Aprilia V90 engine while still communicating a strong impression of lightness, high technology and Italian style. Continuous cooperation between engine and frame designers has led to the perfection of high-tech, performance-oriented solutions and to total integration between engine and frame. The intelligent design solutions applied to Aprilia's V-twin engine have made it shorter than ever, permitting the development of a rational and efficient frame and a superbly agile and incredibly responsive motorcycle. The lateral position and acute angle of the rear monoshock has freed up the space needed to ensure optimum exhaust geometry without any increase in the bike's overall length, and without subjecting the monoshock to thermal stress. The aluminium swingarm is robust enough to withstand the asymmetric stresses generated by the lateral positioning of the rear suspension. The swingarm has been specially developed to satisfy the needs of a supermotard like the DORSODURO 750, and combines excellent torsional rigidity with the elasticity needed for precision under acceleration and intuitive control under changing conditions. Suspension. Optimum suspension setup has always been one of the strong points of the Aprilia design and testing team. The 43 mm upside-down fork features shell-cast bottom outers with radial calipers mountings, and offers adjustments for spring preload and rebound damping. This sophisticated fork offers a superb sliding action and a wheel travel of 160 mm in line with the latest trends in supermotard racing. Both yokes are forged, and the top yoke is also anodized to match the DORSODURO's high level of finish. The laterally offset monoshock pivots directly on the swingarm in a cantilever configuration, and is also adjustable in spring preload and rebound damping. Rear wheel travel is 160 mm, again in keeping the requirements of a top-level supermotard, on which effective, controlled long-stroke suspension is a must. Brakes. The Aprilia DORSODURO 750 is equipped with the best braking technology currently available. The front brakes feature 4-piston radial calipers, state-of-the-art for the motard market. The lightweight, 320 mm wave discs ensure shorter than ever stopping distances. The bike's aggressive stopping power is emphasized by the mean look of the braking system, in keeping with the DORSODURO's overall styling. The rear brakes incorporate another wave disc 240 mm in diameter this time, plus a single piston caliper. Both the front and rear brakes are fitted with aeronautical-type metal braided brake lines to eliminate the sponginess associated with conventional rubber hoses and to deliver maximum braking precision. Components. Supermotards are always no-frills machines, and sometimes quite Spartan. This, however, does not mean having to do without top-quality components and attention to detail. Here too Aprilia stands apart from the competition by adopting a level of equipment worthy of a true market leader. Matrix instrumentation. The mixed analog-digital instrument cluster receives data over a CAN line and incorporates a memory that forms an integral part of the diagnostic system. The ultra-compact instruments feature a modern design and are extremely light in weight. All functions can be accessed and controlled from the handlebars. The LED backlighting is white in the analog area and red in the digital area, and can be adjusted to 3 levels of brightness. Dual taper anodized aluminium handlebars exactly like those fitted to Aprilia's racing supermotards. This super lightweight component is specially designed for optimum dynamic control. Hydraulically operated clutch for a consistently precise action and exceptional smoothness. The clutch is also self-adjusting and completely maintenance-free. Specifications. Quotes. Total motorcycle. True to Aprilia tradition, the chassis architecture is unparalleled in its class. After the acclaimed debut of the mixed-trellis, aluminium frame on the ultra-specialized SXV, the application of the layout in the Dorsoduro establishes it a hallmark feature of Aprilia motards, offering levels of directional agility, reactivity and steering precision far beyond the reach of any rival. Zimbio, developed in collaboration with the Aprilia Racing Division, Dorsoduro 750 has been created by fusing the best characteristics of a sports bike with the best that a racing super motard has to offer. Light, agile and powerful, Dorsoduro 750 is powered by a latest generation engine and boasts the most advanced technology in its class. The essentially designed Aprilia Dorsoduro boasts only the best in terms of componentry, technical specifications and finish.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.